scale. So today we're going to unbox and see this Rave Neo from Soundcore, or you can say from Anchor. This is a child brand from the company Anchor, this one. So we're going to unbox this 50-watt party speaker and we'll see how it goes. And let me show you some brief highlights of this. This is fully waterproof, that you can like literally submerge this into water. This supports the Soundcore app for configuring the speaker. There is a bass up feature, a party cast feature, and a whooping 18 hours of battery life. And let's just see the box, how it looks like. If you can see, we have a lot of features going on around here. The main highlights of this particular speaker, that is, this is having 50 watts of power, base up technology, 18 watts of battery backup, and this, as you can see, like, once I open this, I'll get into the app and other things. We'll see how it goes. And this is also fully water submersible. That means you can literally put it into water, or play it in rain, or howsoever you want to. So this is how the box of this Soundcore Rave Neo looks like, and let's start the unboxing. Okay, so the price, if you see, the retail price of this particular speaker, that is for 10,000 rupees, but I got it from the Flipkart sale and for around about 6,500. So this the purpose of this video is to show the best speakers that are under 7,000 rupees, party speakers specifically, right? So this is how the box looks like, and here we have this I don't know what it's called, so let's remove and put it aside. We have the speaker here, and just let's put it here. What else are we having? So we are having this, what is this? Yeah, and this is also C-type. I read in the review, in the documentation before. So this is the C-type cable, and there's just small little 2 pamphlets that show some information about, I don't know, let's see them later. And let's put the box aside. So these are the speakers. If you see, these are the Soundcore Rave Neo 50 watts, and let's see what they are showing here. If you see, this is the power button, this is the bass up button, and let's first turn this on. Single click. Oh my god, this is, let me just turn off the lights and just see. You see, speakers are really quite amazing. At least the looks and the feels of this particular device, this is just awesome. Let's see what is at the back of the speaker. So probably this is where the power and the other things go in. So as you can see, this is the USB-C type. This is the, what is this? This is 10 watts of USB charging, yes. And what else? This is the aux cable. Definitely you can play music via aux as well if you don't want to use the Bluetooth and other features stuff, right? So let me guide you through what exactly this is, right? So this is the bass up feature. If you click on this, bass mode will be turned on. This is the button for the lights. If I just let me just do it. If I click this button, the lights will they should turn off. Okay, I think these are turned off right now. And if I click it again, these will be turned on. I mean, if I turn it long again, it should turn off ideally. Come on, man. Okay, yeah, long. To turn off the lights, you have to long press on this, right? And this feature, this is the Soundcore Cast or Soundcore Connect feature, that if you have multiple speakers like this, you lay them side by side, you turn this on, and these speakers will automatically pair them up with each other and starts playing in sync and making loud noise, sound. Definitely not noise, right? So this is a Bluetooth feature, and here you can pair this up. Let's start the pairing process now. So now let's start the pairing process, right? So you simply press this Bluetooth button over here, right? Press this, you can see this has started pairing in the pairing mode. Now you go to your Bluetooth settings, right? So I'm rocking Android 12, so if you're more interested, I'll leave a link in this Android 12 video, right? I'll click on Bluetooth devices, pair a new device, and this, as you can see, Soundcore Rave Neo. As soon as I click on this will ask for some permissions, and yes, that's it. The Soundcore Rave Neo is paired, and let's play some music. Definitely some copyright free music. Oh my god, I don't even have YouTube here. Let me simply install YouTube, or maybe I can just go to Chrome and open an incognito tab and simply type YouTube, and from here I can play some copyright free music. Yes, that's it. And no copyright sounds. Now let's play this. Just hear it out. These go super loud, and for a good, I think for a room they are too much. They are like literally they are way beyond the requirement, but for a big hall or something they are just super awesome. Let me just pump the volume to the, this is the minimum, like this is the in the mute mode. I'll turn it on. See, this is how it goes in this mode, in almost like 20%. At like 50, this is how it behaves. Lock the door. Let me increase it to 100% now. Quite loud, I must say. These are super awesome. And these are the Soundcore Rave Neo 50 watts. You can get it for 6,500 rupees on Flipkart. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. And that's all for this video. In the next video, I'll be covering up the Soundcore app and all the features of this application. Let me just download this. We write Soundcore, and come on, man. Yeah, I have written Soundcore. Oh my god. So I'll see this application and I'll install this. This is 88 MB of application, and I'll check more into this application and what are the features. I'll let you know in the next video. Bye bye.